Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on search bar and then type here registry editor, then click here to open it. Select as. Now on this window, expand HK local machine, then expand soft system folder, then control set 001, expand services folder, then just scroll down and click on NDU folder. On the right side, right click on start, select modify and the change value data as to 4, then click on OK. Once done, close this window, then open services. On this window, we need to just scroll down and search for system main, right click on it, select properties and set startup type as disable, click on apply, then click on stop and then OK. Now open task manager, then select startup, then go to status and we need to disable the running applications. Now close this window. Again go to search bar and type settings, then click here to open it. Go to apps, then apps and features. Scroll down and click on these 3 dots to uninstall the unwanted applications those are running on our machine. So we can uninstall some of Once done, close this window. Again go to search bar and open disk cleanup. Then select the drive you want to clean up and then click on OK. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, click on OK and select delete files. Now go to search bar, type cmd run as an administrator, select as. On this window simply type sfc space / scannow and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close the command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.